Hi, I'm Alex Hochberger, founder and CEO of Web3 Enabler, the company serving as a bridge for corporate adoption of blockchain, Web3, and cryptocurrencies. As a 25-year veteran of the internet startup world, I'm excited to be here on the cusp of a new paradigm. Cryptocurrencies, including popular coins like Bitcoin, as well as stable coins like USDC, offer to revolutionize payments the way e-commerce and credit cards did over 20 years ago. Right now, blockchain payments usually require using a third-party gateway, which is the equivalent of using PayPal checkout. Fine for your hobby, not for international business. At Web3 Enabler, we bring products natively into the corporate ecosystem, starting with blockchain payments for Salesforce. Web3 Enabler, the world's most boring crypto company, and I'm here to present blockchain payments, the world's most boring crypto software. What is blockchain payments? It's a 100% native Salesforce application where all blockchain transaction data is stored in Salesforce custom objects. The blockchain data is marked to market and recorded in standard currencies, and reports are provided to be importable as standard accounting records. Blockchain payments will also generate easy-to-use payment links, and we normalize payments between UTXO model chains like Bitcoin and DOGE, and account models like Ethereum and XRP. To show the advantage of this, we have a simple use case for an international sale to Brazil. On the left, a standard workflow. An invoice is sent, they send a wire from their bank, and you receive the wire. International wires usually have about $50 in fees, take about 2 days, and officially charge a 1% conversion fee. But in reality, both banks take about 2% extra by offering you substandard exchange rates. Meanwhile, on your right, you see a new process. Looks about the same. You send an invoice. But now there's an additional link in addition to the routing instructions that includes a payment link from blockchain payments. This same customer can use USDC they've acquired from their bank directly via the PIC system, paying you in USDC. The same transaction takes approximately 5 minutes, costs about $2.50 in Ethereum to cover gas fees, and will have no more than 1% fees for onboarding and offboarding. What are stablecoins and cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital money that trade on a distributed ledger. Stablecoins are a special type of cryptocurrency pegged to a standard currency, most commonly the US dollar. But tokens pegged to the euro, pound, and yen are also available. We support popular UTXO blockchains like Bitcoin, DOGE, and Litecoin, as well as account chains like XRP, Ethereum, and a variety of Ethereum L2s. More chains are coming with each release. We maintain a super simple setup. Grant the permissions to a new integration user and click an authorization link. Using OAuth, the monitoring software in Salesforce, exchange information and are connected. Additional features are in the advanced setup, including support for CoinGecko Pro, BitRank Verified, and room for future integrations. These integrations are generally installed just by entering an API key. We've preloaded popular coins and tokens, which you can disable or enable with a checkbox. And the wallets are easily created in Salesforce with a connection URL. This allows the Salesforce admin to click on it or send it to a separate wallet holder to finish configuration. If the finance department holds the company wallet and doesn't use Salesforce, they can still manage it entirely via this website. For UTXO wallets, we support the recommended HD wallet structures to generate transaction-based addresses, and we easily allow you to add addresses within Salesforce or let us derive it using the XPub for HD wallets. Account wallets use the popular Wallet Connect to automatically capture the address. This is super important because the most common mistake people make in crypto is copy and paste errors on the wallet address, and they send their coins to null addresses where they cannot be recovered. The payment links are easily configurable, including authorized company wallets for the different chains. If your US and EU-based sales teams, for example, need to use separate wallets, that support is already built in. The Web3 payment object is a standard Salesforce object, and this can be created via Salesforce flow that matches your payment rules and regulations. The URL can be emailed or SMS from Salesforce, or pushed to the ERP for inclusion on the invoice via MuleSoft, Zapier, or other integrations. It's just a Salesforce URL field. If the user elects to pay with a UTXO coin, we give you a QR code for an available UTXO address, deriving it if you've let us manage your HD wallet. If they elect to pay with an account-based wallet coin or token, they connect their wallet like they would add a credit card to an e-commerce site, and then receive a QR code for your payment wallet. This is important because UTXO and account blockchains are very different behind the scenes. UTXO wallets use a payment address for each transaction, and your inputs are a collection of leftover coins from your previous receiving of them. Account blockchains, on the other hand, use the same account for all transactions. Blockchain payments abstracts us from the Salesforce user and the customer, managing it for you with near identical experience. The payments are immediately relayed into Salesforce, visible from the standard UI. The details on Salesforce include the on-chain data plus the calculated business information and financial data. If your accounting department wishes to change the exchange rate, for example because of a pre-negotiated rate, the original chain data is still preserved. Since it's all Salesforce data, you can view the transactions in easy-to-use reports, and your finance team can download them as a CSV to import into your general ledger ERP. And you can see them immediately in your BI tools, just like any other Salesforce data. We've integrated with BitRank Verified for compliance. KYT, or Know Your Transaction, is increasingly important and now required in the EU for many transactions. We include compatibility with BitRank Verified, one of the industry-leading suppliers of safety scores for wallets and transactions on the ecosystem. The data is received from BitRank Verified and mapped into custom objects in Salesforce, with all details preserved for compliance auditing. If the account is compromised and suspected of terrorism, money laundering, or other problems, the information is relayed to your Salesforce org with the appropriate flags. You can then set up Salesforce flows, reports, or list views to implement any desired business logic off of this. In conclusion, blockchain transactions are inherently complex, but Web3 Enabler is determined to make it easy. Blockchain transactions are cheaper, faster, and more reliable than international payments are today, and we have worked through the details of safely transacting for businesses so your staff doesn't have to. Best of all, it's installable right now from the Salesforce App Exchange. Again, I'm Alex Hochberger, the founder and CEO of Web3 Enabler. Here's my contact information, and please reach out with any questions. You can also email support at Web3 Enabler, and we'll handle your request immediately. Thank you.